Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. So, today we will see some of the watches that I accumulated throughout the years. Basically, the past 5 years I've been consolidating, and it seems that I found my, let's say, favorite type of watches, and that would be the dress watches. And as you can see, these are my dress watches that I have in my collection. Almost all the other vintage dress watches I sold. So these are all mechanical hand winds. These are all, as you can see, different dials. And these are all watches that I really, really like and often go for when I'm choosing the watch to wear or take with me on a trip. This is the Polish Zodiak Mechaninsky number 3 with a burgundy enamel dial, really nice watch. Celita 210 hand wind movement, 50 meters water resistant, but still beautiful, beautiful watch and really, really nice. I'm wearing, by the way, the RZE to test it out, so I'll take this off and continue talking about the watches. And you might say dress watches has this some form of I don't know, it just takes my attention away. It just makes me want to wear it, and somehow I do like this elegant feel and style of watches, especially the smaller sizes, so the 36 to 39. This one, the Mechanitsky, has a little bit of loom. The Nomos has also a little bit of loom. The other ones don't have any kind of loom. So that's why I want to start with the Zodiac, because it's one of my newest acquisition. The Nomos is one of my favorite all-rounder watches. And as you can see, I have it here on a Stingray, one of my all-time favorite of straps as well, because it really blinks out any watch you have it on. And this Nomos is definitely one of my favorite watches because it has 100 meters water resistant. It looks really nice. It wears really nice. It has an alpha mechanical hand wind movement from Nomos. It's a limited edition as well. One of my 2023 editions is this anOrdain enamel dial watch. As you can see, the dial is amazing. And I chose the blue dial because I really liked blue, and the company I'm working for currently has a blue color, so I thought it would be a perfect watch to wear when I'm in the office. It has also a really nice bovine Russian calf leather strap, a bit small, let's say 18 millimeters, but like width, I mean. As you can see, I put a code. Time is the most valuable thing a man can spend, but really, really a beautiful dial. And definitely, I tell most people, if they want to have a cool grand faux enamel dial, this is the one to go for. The anOrdain. If they want a normal enamel dial, Zodiac offers really nice watches for around 600 euros, which is crazy, because you get the Celita movement, you get a hand wind, get loom, really nice, good offering as well. Now we get to the two very special watches. The first special watch I have here is this Felipe Pekilliuk from Berlin, and it's called Sternenhimmel. And I got this to celebrate my PhD back in 2020. And as you can see, my name in Arabic, Dr. AR. And you have here a hand finish movement. Oops. That's a good thing it happened here, so it didn't happen somewhere else. Just maybe I'll change the bracelet, the strap on this one. So definitely one of my favorite watches, because the dial was also requested by me to have this purple dial. And last but not least, we have a very, very special watch. This Lyrique watch is a watch brand that me and 50 other collectors were able to come together under, let's say, the organization of Bill Sanders from Watch Arts Eye, and we were able to get our hands on, or not get our hands on, but actually contact the best of the best in the watch making industry in Switzerland and get a combination of the best movement we can get from Agenor. You have the case from Voeteline and Ketten. You have the dial from Metalem, hands from Fiedler, and definitely amazing, amazing watch. And of course, Mathieu Allegri, the watch designer, designed a lot of amazing watches. As you can see, this watch just is exceptional. Just wears amazing. I have it on this custom green strap. I have ordered also on order another strap that will come from same as this one, so Stingray. So be sure to check that out. Yeah, what can I say? I have a type, and it's dress watches, and it's definitely a collecting journey. And yeah, tell me what you think about these watches, about the watches I really like, which is dress watches. If you like also dress watches, you think that you have a dress watch in your collection, share it with us in the comment section. And as always, invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.